If your fridge smells but there isn't any rotten food in it, here are a few potential reasons why. Reason 1. Not cleaning after removing rotten food. It's not uncommon for fridge users to remove old and mouldy food from a fridge, but forget to go back and clean the section where the stale food was kept. If you don't clean the residue that the product has left behind, it will just fester there and it will start to smell. All you need to do in most cases is to clean the section where the rotten food was with warm soapy water, then dry it. Reason 2. Pongy food. Sometimes fridges smell not because they're dirty, but because stinky foods are kept in them. Imagine putting a strong cheese next to a particularly pungent fish that's also sitting by some boiled eggs. That would cause a pretty hefty stench. If you know you're going to be keeping some very smelly food in the fridge, it's worth keeping the products in airtight containers. Reason 3. Stagnant water at the bottom of the fridge. Fridges will collect water from condensation over a period of time. If you see large pools of water under the drawers or lower compartment of your fridge, it's time to sort it out. There's usually a drainage hole at the back of the fridge. This may need to be cleaned or adjusted. It's important that you remove the water and fix any issues before they get worse. It's always a good idea to wipe the fridge down with a clean cloth when you're done to remove any excess moisture. Reason 4. Plastic absorbs smells from inside the fridge. The inside of your fridge is probably made from plastic, which can sometimes have a tendency to absorb smells. Make sure you clean your fridge regularly to remove any smells the plastic has absorbed. You can also try putting bicarbonate of soda or coffee grains on a plate and leaving them in the fridge overnight. They should absorb the bad odours. Reason 5. Food underneath the fridge. When something smells in your fridge, the first assumption is that the scent must be coming from within. But that isn't always the case. Often, a tiny piece of food will roll under the fridge only to be left there for weeks on end, going completely unnoticed. All you need to do is pull your fridge out and remove the dirt from underneath it. You should use a floor cleaner that's suitable for your floor. Reason 6. Something inside the fridge has spilled. Sometimes spills or leaks can occur in the fridge without you even noticing. These little droplets of food and drink can cause an almighty smell in your fridge. And until they're cleaned away properly, they'll linger there and get worse. Again, the best solution to this is to regularly give the inside of your fridge a thorough clean. Reason 7. Food is rotten, but doesn't look rotten. It's easy to throw out food that you can see is obviously rotten. But what about the food that doesn't look stale? Items in fridges need to be checked on a regular basis, even if they look fine. After throwing out obviously rotten food, check all the other food in your fridge too. Don't overlook any item, turn them around and upside down to make sure they're still okay to eat. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more laundry, washing machine and home care tips. Thanks for watching.